A very good morning to all of you. In the previous class, you studied about maps. What is map? What is the difference between map and globe? And what is atlas? Now, let us know about types of maps. Maps are drawn on the basis of information. They represent physical features, annual rainfall, vegetation, etc. They may also be classified on the basis of scale used for drawing the maps. According to the information represented, maps can be classified into three types. They are physical map, political map, and thematic map. First of all, physical map. Physical maps contain information about relief features or landforms of the Earth's surface, like mountain peaks, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. Second type is the political map. Political maps show the boundaries between different countries along with their states, capitals, cities, towns, and villages. And the third type of map is thematic map. Thematic maps show only selected features. They are based on specific information. They may be cultural maps depicting roads, railways, industries, minerals, population, etc. They may be climatic maps showing rainfall or temperature. They may be geological maps based on types of rocks and their age. Such maps may also depict the natural vegetation, wildlife, and or soil. Based on the scale chosen for the map, they may be classified into two types: small scale maps and large scale maps. Small scale maps. They show very large area on a single map. Hence, they cannot show details. Maps for example, maps in atlases, especially world maps or maps of countries and continents. They represent in these maps 1 centimeter represents equal to 1000 kilometer. Another is the large scale map. Large scale maps show small area with greater details. For example, guide maps of cities. They show, or these large scale maps represent a small area in big detail or greater details, and they represent 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. So a small area can be shown in a big detail. Now let us see the different types of maps given in your book. This is a physical map of India. This map shows northern mountains, northern plains, coastal plains, southern plateaus, Indian desert, and central highlands, where all these situated. So the physical map shows the mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal areas, desert, etc. Another type of map is the political map. This is a political map of India. This map shows the states, capitals, different towns, and the national and international boundaries, etc. These maps are known as political map. And the third type of map is also given here. You can see this is a thematic map of India showing railway routes. In the same way, you can see the about climate, rainfall, temperature, wildlife, vegetation, everything can be shown in a thematic map. So that's all for today. In the next class, you will study about essential features of a map. Thank you. Have a good day.